I got Tesla.
Yo, this is crazy. SPY's at 550, and we got stocks making highs every day here. This is crazy. SPY's hit a low of 545.
Wow. Que lo que? What you have it open, Nor?
Give me one sec, brother. This is crazy.
It's got to be Tessie, right?
Yeah, honestly. Yo, SMC, I don't even bother letting me know SMC on a Friday.
Yeah, and there's a trend on the 30-minute on SMCI right at 398.
I'll
Yo,
pass.
Meta could be that like low key setup today though, to be honest.
Meta is on
No.
in a 1 hour trend right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it till 525.
Yeah, that's possible. So then we have Tesla and Nvidia. Any trends on Nvidia? No, I don't see any. I'll try one more thing. No. There is, but it's below 110, so we're good.
Yeah.
Yo, after yesterday's returns, we almost had 100% in total yesterday. I am having the tightest stops ever today.
How would y'all look to take Tesla here? Would you do it at that pre-market high?
I'm kind of
wait
thinking.
till 235.
I'm kind of thinking about it. If we pull back enough and it gives me room to play that, then maybe there.
You weren't trying to take a red to green into that?
I'm gonna take one of those in a minute.
I know.
Up the cap.
Nah, I don't remember the last time I took one.
It's been a while since we done that.
Yeah, even me, I haven't done that in a minute.
Oh, what the hell? What's going on here?
Same
What,
shit
SMTI
every
400?
No, I don't know what I clicked. I don't have the buttons no more on my active trader.
Oh, I think the same thing happened to Jordan. Yeah, Jordan's typing already. Yep.
What happened?
Hit setting and submit. Setting.
Take it one step at a time for him, Jordan. He's old.
On the active trader tab, right?
Alright, but just a quick reminder though. I already sent it in heads up. It is Friday. Don't be that asshole who wants to size up and make the most money in the market on a Friday, because the amount of times I've seen people blow the weekly profits because they want to be cute today. Just don't do it. Size accordingly. I usually size half of what my normal sizing is, or even less than that. So just take it easy, take it slow, just end the week on a good note. So
This guy said, "Don't be an asshole," huh?
yeah.
Yeah, I did that. And it's not doing anything.
Yeah, but
Oh well, it's alright. Well,
They do it the old school way there, George.
yeah.
pause.
On the option chain.
Alright.
235s?
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's it's
too.
Friday.
Yeah.
Meta, I feel like Meta's the one that held up the most, but it's still got time.
Yeah, that needs some time. Yeah, and
Oh my.
Fed Williams is speaking right now.
Oh, my SMCI alerts went off.
All right.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
We got some time here off the open. Oh, never mind.
Tesla.
So yeah, we're looking at the 235 calls on Tesla if it happens. No trends. There's just the 1 minute for me. I don't think there's anything else.
The 30-minute gives us to like 242, but I wouldn't even hold that long.
All right, 1 minute's till like 238.
Yeah, that would be my target.
I'm gonna probably try that high, like you guys said, as long as it shows divergence here.
My alert for it's at the 70-cent level. I know the pre-market high is 68, but
Yo, what happened?
Mine's at 62. Not that it matters too much right now. Those contracts got smoked on that pullback.
Meta kind of holding up here.
It is.
I switch to that real quickly.
You see that 1 minute though, right
Yeah.
at 525? That's annoying.
Still possible. We can make it happen.
Ooh, look at that candle on Meta.
Look at that candle on Tesla.
Are we switching?
Yeah. I switched over to look. I'm looking at the Meta 525 calls, guys.
Holy crap.
These are pain.
You're in the.
Meta?
Yeah. When I said I was gonna switch to it, yeah.
I'm waiting, guys.
I'm about to sell. Yeah, I sold right there.
I'm still cash.
Yeah, when I got in, those contracts immediately flipped, which was so crazy.
What was like your... Oh,
Two,
okay.
yeah, 256 to 290. As soon as I saw hesitation, I was like, nope. Not today.
Taking your money
Damn,
and
look
running.
at Tesla.
Yo, SMCI is the only thing close. I don't know. I would just feel like an asshole if I took
If
that.
Tesla wasn't so strong this past week, I would play 228.
Let's see how SMCI plays out.
Yeah, would have paid the bills probably.
It would have. $1.50 pop on a Friday, that for sure pays.
All right, what are we doing? 395 here on SMCI?
I wanted this at 400, but
Yeah, I kind of only liked it at 400 to be real.
unless you like it at 395.
Nah, I really don't like this at any number.
Meta could still happen. I'm gonna stay on Meta personally.
Yeah, I'm still on Mac. I have an alert set at 524.80. 524.80, 524.20 is my stop. It's like super tight.
Nor the 30-minute gives us a decent amount of room
I
here.
know. The 1 minute is just the annoying part.
Yeah.
We're looking at the 525 calls on Meta.
You guys buying the new iPhone?
Yeah, of course, bro.
You think they're gonna drop AirPods?
Yeah, they are. I can give you the list. Apple Watch, new AirPod Pros, iPhone. And if you're looking to get new Mac, I would wait till October. They're gonna have the M4 Mac Pros.
Do they do trade-ins for that?
Yes.
Oh, Benji's acting like Nor's an Apple employee.
I really am. Surprised I don't even go to these conferences, honestly. Patience, patience, patience. This only been 5 minutes. Wow.
Bro, I know. It feels like it's been forever.
I thought it was 15.
Antonio, you didn't get filled on SMCI? Even with a market buy? That's weird. It's not the worst thing in the world. Wasn't that big of a drop, but. Oh, okay, got you. I didn't know that.
All right.
I believe we're all looking at the 525s, Sam.
Correct. How much are these? $2? Yeah.
You good over there, Jorge?
Yes, sir.
Making sure Active Trader didn't beat your butt there trying to.
Nah,
get
once I
back
swapped over
running.
once I swapped over contracts, it fixed itself.
Got you. Okay.
Some CIs rejecting 400.
Bro, what the fuck? It's just Meta just fucking rejected. Now we have Tesla at 226.
The only downside setup that I like genuinely have is Google.
That's far though, 155, right?
155.50 is where I was watching this originally. I don't think we get Nvidia today.
Alright, well, 228 broke crazy on Tesla. Hold.
I mean, there's a chance, Mario, that Nvidia could happen at 104, but that's. I don't know. I feel like $2 for Nvidia is a lot.
And it's a $9 drop from high. Like, not 9, but $6 drop.
That SMCI bear flag is setting up nicely.
Yeah, I know, bro. That's why I'm mad. There's no
Yo,
move.
Tesla really.
That's a $10 drop.
Yeah, dude, it did the same exact thing yesterday.
If it wasn't so strong throughout the week, I would have played 228. This next level is 225. If it gives up 225, that's going to be crazy. You're going below yesterday's low, basically. What do we think Keith played this morning? I think
SMCI.
Dude, SMCI market, bro.
Am
It's
I
dropping at the same
skipping
time.
Google? I will not skip Google. I'm looking at it right now. There's just so many trend lines. That's the problem with this. I have meta profits to play around with, so it's not the biggest deal in the world.
What you thinking, Nor?
I don't know. Well, the right contracts, if I were to play it, would be a 390 puts for SMCI. But I don't see how I could play this right now. At least not yet. Market's still dropping, bro. It just broke. I'm not playing that. It doesn't make sense.
Here goes Google.
Oh
The
my
only
god,
problem
bro,
is that
70%, bro.
On what?
SMCI.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I see you,
You,
Jorge.
you played that bear flag. That bear flag was nice, but like my level 2 on IV was messed up on it, so I just skipped it.
It's been doing that for like the past
Yo,
2 to 3 weeks now, Benji.
Nvidia.
Shit's annoying, bro.
Yeah.
Frankie, I'd probably wait for 155 on Google.
That's
For
what I
me, at
might have to
least.
do here.
Nvidia
I didn't like
is
how
like,
I didn't like how it was moving with the market, so I gave it a little bit of time.
I was
Oh,
watching
that-
104 on Nvidia as well. I don't know what you think about that, Norm.
No, that's fine. And I just wanted to, relax a little bit. It's still weak though. The market was dropping there on that last candle, and this still didn't bounce.
Apple's the strongest stock we have. I don't know if you're interested in divergence play more.
Sound like Keith.
Come on, can we get a new low? I'm still holding a few contracts here on this. Nice, freaking Jose. I'm up nicely right now too, but it seems to start taking a little too long here. Might get an aggressive bounce.
Yo, Lucci.
Nice. Alright, just sold there. The rest. Hey, I wanted just a little more, man. I probably would have cracked 3K on that if it would have busted 390.
Yo, guys, I'm looking at 225 calls on Apple. It's that high day while market is kind of just bouncing, retracing here. I'm in. Looking at, I'm in 225 calls for Apple. So since yesterday was such a big day, I'm going to have a tight stop on anything I take today. And obviously I go in a lot lighter, so even with a small position, I'm still going to have tight stops. All right, guys. My stop on Apple is 12%. My target is 225.40. Oh, wait. This is pushing. Holy. Guys, look at Apple. %12 stop versus a possible 30% return. So risk to reward is perfect on this.
I was gonna say, do you plan on scaling out beforehand? But you're in light, so probably not, right?
Yeah, probably not.
That high from yesterday was 50 cents here. I may look to scale out at 35 cents.
Yeah, that's a possibility. I might sell a third.
Yeah, which would be a third for me.
Remember, 12% stop. I'm not letting it go past that. Maki doesn't come till like later, honestly. For SPY. He likes the 10 a.m. pass plays there.
Red to green right here would be amazing.
It just did.
Just trying to not know, just a little more. 20 seconds.
Red to green.
As long as it closes above 225 here, got 8 seconds.
Market had a big pullback, that's why.
NQ just had the exact same candle as Apple.
Yeah. Not too much of a fan of that.
Yeah, no, me neither.
But it happens because how aggressive that pullback was, it had to pull back Apple. I think anything got pulled back there if you're tech. Except things like Meta didn't bounce. Scared to break 20 cents here.
Yeah, struggling with this area here.
We need 20 to get taken out here, and it should be, smoother here.
ES is rejecting this 55.20
NQ is
area.
too. Come on, 20 needs to break. Remember, 12% stop on this, 12%. Yesterday we had almost 100% of returns, so 12% stop is not going to hurt at all today because of yesterday. And we're in lighter, it's Friday.
Here. As far as Meta isn't close to anything. Tesla, neither. Nvidia's $2 away, and SMCI far away as well. So.
All right.
You take Google at the low there, or wait?
I think I would.
closer?
I think now I would take it at the retest. It's ahead of the market now too, but problem is it's Google.
Yeah.
What's yesterday's low on Tesla?
It was like 221.60, I think, or something like that.
It's right
It
at
was.
222 and some change, actually.
Yeah.
It was 222 like 40.
I looked for a downside setup on that for how much it was selling off, but I didn't see much that I liked.
Yo, Google's like right there, Frank.
I think I'm finna stop out here, Nor.
On what?
On Apple.
Oh.
You still in or no?
Yeah, I am. I don't know
I
what
know,
just happened.
It got close to my stop there, but I didn't pull the trigger.
Never mind this alert. It's not going off for me.
Yes, tried, but it needs help. Can only try for so long.
There goes
Yeah.
Google. Wow.
Nice, Frank. I just stopped out.
I'm gonna just move my stop loss to break even on this.
For what, Google?
Yeah.
It was clean.
The retest, yeah. I think I was up 20% there at the bottom. Maybe more, but I wasn't paying attention to that. Just got another green to red here. This is one I wasn't comfortable signaling though, because it's Google.
I don't
I hardly
blame
ever trade Google. Yeah, 20% here is how much I was up at the peak. It just hit again. This is week ahead of the market though, so that's why I plan to hold till 155. Wow. Whoa. Whoa.
Nice.
Oh my god.
I'm watching. that
Yo, no way. They just did that. Oh my god.
too. What percentage
I mean,
was that?
I don't even know, bro. Oh, hold on. I have to do the math real quick. Give me a sec. I took an L on it earlier. I lost 300, but obviously made up more than that on that trade.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, still going to.
I just sold a half.
How'd you take that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
55.
My man. Let's see. 100. I sold at 101. 38 divided by 63. I got 60% on that. So
Jeez. A few times I've taken Google.
wow, that was beautiful. Alex, I got 60%. Yeah. Here are my fills. I wish it sold me everything there, but I mean 2 cents isn't much on the contracts, but when you're buying 50 contracts, it obviously affects it a little bit. It only sold like 20, so I had to immediately flatten everything else.
Bouncing right off the 15-minute trend.
Yeah, that's why I sold into it, George. I sold around the 80 cent level. The green to red. Yeah, you could have taken that in multiple areas. You could have taken on the retest, like how I mentioned, or the green to red before the actual level break.
Or 155. That's how I took it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's 2 ways. There's 2 clean ways you could have taken that, so it just depended on what risk you were looking for.
And that was still 30% the way I took it.
Yeah, fire. I was thinking of buying more, but that would have really ruined my average. So I was like, fuck that. I'll just stick with what I got. It never gave me a chance to add more either. My contracts just kept gaining premium.
Yes, it's dying here.
SMCI bounced off that low.
Nice. Yeah, I sold good on SMCI. I didn't get greedy there.
Nvidia's coming down. Not there yet, but
All right, I can put Meta away. Do we like Nvidia? I do. I'm pretty sure the rest of us do. It's just far still.
Nvidia bounced.
AMD 136. If that comes around, I didn't even know we had a setup there. Keith, the good
That's
Keith.
yeah, but that's kind of far on a Friday. I feel like it was when it started. It was far. I did see that.
So this thing opened up at 138, down to like $2. Yeah, that
I mean,
setup doesn't look bad, but yeah, I went with George. That's a genuinely good setup. I just don't know how I feel about it. It's a little far, yeah. I'll put on the side for now. Keith, I think for me, if it gets weak ahead of the market, maybe I'll consider it more. If it's moving with the market to these lows, I wouldn't consider it. I think that's a genuinely good setup though. So
CVS can break below 5,500 and hold.
huh?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said CVS. I'm like, huh? I'm like, George, you're
No,
the.
let's see if.
Okay, if you're the see, some of the students thought that too. I was like, I'm like, no way, George just said that, bro.
Nah, bro.
Oh man,
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna degen like that.
I know. I was like, that's my job, George. Chill. Oh, that was funny. You got 30% at the top of that, George,
What?
on Google. On Google.
Yeah.
Nice.
But I'm not out yet.
Oh. Yeah, Keith, I'm gonna just wait. This is moving with the market right now. It looks good. I just can't.
What?
AMD. It looks really good here. It's just the market's coming down. AMD's coming down with it.
I switched over to Nvidia. Looking at the
Was that
104
close?
puts. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Looking at the 104 puts on Nvidia.
I don't think I can. Do I have time?
It's at the 20-cent level. You got time still.
Because I'm technically still in this trade here.
It's a flat bottom there. I'm in these.
Wow,
Whoa,
Nor.
what the fuck?
Wow, I'm just gonna sell there. I was not expecting.
He said
I was
I'm
not
just gonna-
expecting that.
Yo.
I was not expecting that at all.
That was a 40-cent drop from our signal. Yo, did you see the contracts, Frankie?
Yeah, bro, that's why I sold. I was like, yo, I did not expect that.
Oh my god.
Oh, when that happened to y'all, it happened to Google as well. I was not expecting that much of a drop.
Yo. There's a flat bottom. The reason I took that trade is because it had a flat bottom there on the 30-minute.
I'm glad I had an alert because my level 2 lagged a lot right there.
Either way, you got in before 104.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that was wild. Yeah.
That was sexy.
Yo, let's see here.
16% on that real quick.
Nice.
Yeah, those contracts did like 5 backflips right there.
If I had gotten a lot earlier where I wanted to, if my level 2 wasn't lagging, that probably would have been more, but Jared, my level 2 was broke. Like it didn't work when it broke originally.
If it
Oh,
wasn't
actually,
for
it's
the
still
market,
it's still actually it still isn't working. Actually,
if it wasn't for the market, I would have went in way heavier.
so I see this come from time to time, Jared, where it'll glitch on IB in the sense that it'll just show Nasdaq orders at the very top and show you where it's currently at, but it's not.
That's what I have on ES right now.
Did AMD play out? Curious about that. Here it is. Wow, that would have played. That would have paid out too.
How much was the drop? What was the level on it? Did y'all played? Or that he was talking about? 136?
136. I was looking to get in at 136.20. That was if I wanted to get in at that level, it was a 60-cent drop. If you just wanted to play it safe, that's a 40-cent drop. Looked pretty clean.
Matt is just grinding lower, bro. It's crazy.
Next test here of ES at 54.90 should try to hold below that, but it will be going into a demand.
You done for the day, Frankie?
Honestly, probably not. I
What?
have. This is this is kind of like a. I think this is more of a herb setup.
Which one?
AVGO pre-market low. Bounce exactly. It's 136.60, but it bounced exactly off of 137 just now. Only problem is moving too close to the market. So this isn't the reason why I'm looking at it is because this is after earnings. It's already down $15 as well though. So I mean, Payne, I had it planned. So it's not something I'm coming up with last minute. It's just I knew it was going to be far away, so I didn't think we would get it today. We would just get it next week instead.
Yo, Netflix is down $20 since the open. That's a little wild.
I say that, Peyton. We only got one professional here.
Double bottom on SMCI, literally the same bottom there.
That 50-cent level? Oh, not or the
391.
91 level.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, imagine trying that one. Oh, that one wouldn't hurt.
It would have been automatically down 20% there. Look at the recovery in the market here.
Yeah, you seen that screenshot that I sent, Nor?
What, on text?
On ES?
No. Oh, yeah.
Que lo que.
I actually like SMCI, but for different reasons than anybody else here. I'll talk about it if we get close.
Okay. I can kind of maybe see what you're looking at.
I think me too. I'm done though.
I'm surprised nobody said anything about coin.
I handled that yesterday.
Nah, I don't trade SPX deck.
It looked much cleaner today, but I think it would have been faked out multiple times, maybe 1 or 2 times on that.
ES is dipping into the zone here.
See, that's the coin break I wanted yesterday, but didn't give it to me.
Oh. $0.70 area seems to be super important here on Google.
Didn't get out yet?
No, I got out.
Okay. Gotcha.
I'm just watching it. I
Oh, it
don't
made
like.
it. Oh, it made a new low. Oh,
Yeah.
did you get out beforehand
What?
or
On
on
the low?
Google? Yeah.
Yeah, I got out on that break when it came back. Remember when you got out of Nvidia, I got out of Google too, because they broke at the same time.
Gotcha. What was the peak on those contracts?
115, I think.
Damn,
112. I got 108, 109.
that's fire. For the contracts being that cheap, that was definitely worth it.
Yeah, these are my fills here.
Because the very peak I sold was 101. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
sick.
you didn't miss out on much though. I mean, well, an extra 10%.
Yeah, 10% goes a long way.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I changed.
Fair, Jared. I was looking at it way beforehand too. That's the only reason why.
Yeah, Jared, he had a way better buy. It's not a competition, Jared.
Is your idea getting close, Nor?
What happened?
Is your idea getting close?
Yeah, but I'm only giving it 15 more minutes to happen.
Okay.
Oh no, this
Yeah,
is
but that's
on
not why.
nice here, bro.
Jared, I mention this all the time. I mention it on the lessons, right? Like, Nor, I'm not sure how close Nor's idea, so I'm just gonna keep talking until he cuts me off. But we all trade the same way, right? We all scalp trade, but we all have different styles with it. You know, George likes to scale out. Like I say it all the time. George and I make damn near the same amount, but we have two different styles of trading, right? I like to sell my position all in one. George likes to scale out. I mean, it really just comes down to what style you're comfortable with.
How your mind works, how's it, you know, takes in certain information, all that shit. Bing chillin', you in here?
What up? What up?
Did you take Google with us?
I did not.
What? You're the Google king, bro.
I don't know about that. It's just I don't know. Everything was so far down. I've been
Nah,
smoking for
I
a little
get you.
bit.
To be honest, I'm not. If you didn't take that, there's nothing wrong with that, cause I feel you, cause it did come down pretty $3 for Google, so I
Right.
understand on a Friday.
This is gonna be interesting here. Looking at Tesla, I was And honestly, it still looks good. Like right now, this is where my entry would be if the market wasn't dropping. But the market's dropping. It's too much risk there for me. Tesla's breaking yesterday's low, which is crazy.
That 222.
Yeah, it just did, but I'm not
What?
playing that because where the market's at.
I have level at 221.50. I'm not sure if that was from the upside. Oh, that was from the upside. Yeah.
Those contracts still haven't made a high on Google.
Has it been making lows?
Yeah, just made a new low. Should.
Ooh. Yikes.
Yeah. Nah, I'm not in.
No, yeah, I'm just saying yikes, 'cause that's not good.
It is Friday though. Cheap contracts. So that's an extent.
Man, that low day on Tesla would have. Oh man, that was crazy. How we yeah.
I would be patient here. Market's just trying to grind lower, and it's supposed to bounce soon. So we'll see if that does anything here.
I'm surprised that setup didn't interest you more, Nor,
What,
on Tesla just now.
bro?
With
The
how
market
weak,
was dropping.
with how weak it's been.
Yeah, I guess.
Goes
545.
Teslito.
Is it
Didn't
legal?
fill.
Did you take that, Frank? It sounds like you took it.
Nah, I just started looking at it when Nor talked about it. I didn't know it was here yet.
What?
Tesla.
Oh.
What? There's no way you're doing that. Who's doing that?
Hmm.
You draw trends on the contracts?
That's not a bad. You can actually use the contracts like that. Yeah.
Really? I've never
Mhm.
done that. What's the
I-
thought process behind it? Just because I never even thought about doing that.
I've heard a lot of people just do it around. I mainly just look at contracts for consolidations or like where they like peak at. I don't usually draw my option charts though.
Spread's too wide on SMCI to do that. It's more like it's more finding the bottom and tops of contracts, George. Bro, I don't even play trend line breaks on the stock, so definitely won't be playing trend breaks on a contract.
The contracts line up with previous resistance. Oh man. I'm not talking crap. Don't take it as I'm just I don't know. On a Friday? Support.
I don't know, but because we scalp, I don't think that stuff matters to us. It's like the Greeks. Like most of them don't. All of them actually don't matter. When we're scalping 1-minute trades.
Yo, look at this consolidation on Meta.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I hate these levels on Meta.
I'm not playing that shit.
These levels are cursed. I've only lost money around this 515 level.
Looks like we're starting to hold this area here. I got room all the way to 5473 on ES if we're gonna keep grinding down.
I'm looking at the upside on SMCI if anybody was wondering, but it's not there yet.
Here we go. I wish I was more comfortable with Spy like the way Maki is, bro. Like I feel like I could have taken a trade today on Spy. Maybe not.
I wish I could just trade SPY.
I wish I can trade other stocks.
Nah, you see, you can. You just decide
can.
not to, I feel like.
Yeah, I was just kidding. We always want what we don't have.
Yo,
Yo,
That's some real shit, Maki.
that's some real life shit.
Drop the knowledge, bro. Friday knowledge.
Friday knowledge with Maki Wada.
Wada Maki?
You guys say it weird, bro. You
That's
say it
not how you say
normally.
it.
I can't. Well,
That's not how you say it.
with my fake accent. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at SPY puts, guys.
all right.
No.
Alright.
But that 5 minute looks horribly weak. Like, I want to play calls, but I can't. It's way too weak.
Fucking Frankie, bro.
Dude,
what
bro, I
happened?
felt like I feel like his mood lifted up when Maki said that.
Why don't I have Google here pulled on, bro? Fuck Google. I made money on Google today, but I still don't like that stuff.
You guys, look at the contracts look at the IV on SPY. Contracts add the money add the money on the same day expiration are going for 180. Right, yesterday they were going for 90 cents, so almost double. They're expecting a large move today.
The contracts I'm looking at on SMC are the 410 calls. If we get there. So as of right now, I need a hold above 400 and a momentum move into 402. Originally, I was gonna play 407 break, but if I get the right move, I could play this at 402. It all depends on how we get there and what happens at 400. I need price acceptance there.
Where are you looking to enter, Maki? Yo,
I think we're gonna play puts at the same time, Nor.
What?
You're looking at SMCI puts, right?
no.
Nah.
Never mind.
He said, never mind.
Okay, guys, I'm looking at SPY's 546 puts. Next day expiration.
Yo, Jose's so attached to SMC. This guy.
I think that's what messed me up, Nor. How attached he is, and then I seen something like the contract. Him doing the trends on the that fucked me up even more.
Ew.
So I think it was that more that I was surprised. Like it's the I don't know. Never mind. It works though, Jose. I know you were up 10K today, so don't let me. You know. But I took SMCI today because it looked good. That trend finally, you know what I mean? Finally looked good to me.
Nor, you like the 410s over the 405s?
They have more volume.
I get that, but I feel like we would need a really big move for the 410s to start moving.
I mean, in my eyes, it is a pretty big move waiting for it.
Okay, gotcha.
I got room to at least 407, and then I would plan on scaling above 405.
Gotcha, okay.
See that 1 minute
Spies.
trend? I know it don't matter. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
So I was gonna say SPY's 30 cents away from entry. Looking at 546.40, close to that low. It's gonna be a long hold play. All right, it's close. 20 cents away from entry on SPY puts. I'm in SPY puts. It's gonna be a longer hold trade.
You got easy room to 546. I'm not in, but I'm just curious. Right?
I'm looking for below 545.
Oh damn. Alright.
Oh boy,
Great call out, Maki.
there goes 546.
See, like
See
if I would have
540.
played this, like my room was 54.71 on ES.
Oh boy.
Dude,
Sheesh.
what a play, Maki. Good stuff.
No, we're not
60
done yet. Come on, baby.
Drop right there for Maki's signal.
But look at this. This is what I was talking about this morning. So I mean, that would have been my. I'm just not comfortable playing it yet.
Come on, Spy. Come on. Pre-market low. Here it comes.
Tell him. Flush it, baby.
Flush, baby. Flush.
Oh my god.
All right, here comes targets close, guys. But I said a long hold. I thought I was gonna hold this for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I got a trend there, Maki. I don't think that's important for you, but just letting you know.
Yeah, we got the same thing. It's
Okay.
all an inflection point.
Oh
Oh
my
my god.
God. It goes 2 cents from 545, Maki.
Holy crap.
Just a friendly reminder, don't go
I'm
against
selling
Maki.
half, guys. I'm selling half.
Maki
sold
sold
half.
half.
Great fucking trade. How much was that, Mark?
Bro, I don't even know yet. I'm gonna check after.
That was disgusting. Let me see. Pull that up.
$1.50 drop from Maki's signal.
I'm holding the rest, guys. I'm holding the rest.
3
Same,
more points from my next target here on ES.
same days was way over 30%.
That IV's kind of high, huh, Maki?
It is.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's why I think it's gonna have a big move.
That's my last level here, 54.62.
I'm holding. I'm holding. I'll give it down. Because the demand zone still, I think it still has room.
I have a nut. Yeah, I mean technically, yeah. 54.50, yeah.
Oh boy, come on, baby, come on. Oh, it's fine. Let's not do any red flags here.
IV means implied volatility, which also quote unquote means expected move.
Right at that next level that I have, but it's not an important level, Maki.
Yeah, if the next candle it makes a new low, it's over, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, that's wild.
Nice, 120 to 2. That's 100%, huh, Cobalt?
Yeah.
Nice.
The moment of truth.
Just real quick, so I didn't take this trade, but since like I've been talking about me getting better at this, is great screen time. Looking at all my levels, Maki's train of thought. So every time y'all hear people talk, you don't have to always take the signals, but learn, listen to what they're saying.
New low, beautiful. Come on, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Now I'm holding to 544 break.
Yo.
Damn, that's what I'm talking about. I got once we break 54.60, it should go all the way to 54.55.
I want no red flags, please. Need a green to red here.
And two, yes. So right now I'm like looking at each target that I've been given, I'm like, okay, I would have scaled out here, just like I do on every other trade. I want to see, that can correlate to the way tried spy. You trade spy totally different, right? So I want to see if that part at least of the way I scale out, I'm treating my scale out to my targets how I would treat a normal stock at
No
that
one,
moment.
George and Nor, you guys definitely don't like SMCI to the downside, right?
No.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done. I'm
You're
done
done?
trading for the day. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
just trading spy in my head right now.
I'll just watch this then.
I don't think spy's done yet, bro.
I don't think so either. The way it is, I think like I was. Oh, shut up. I trade spy in my sleep. That's a good one. Yeah, bait.
Believe it or not, SMCI is one of the strongest stocks right now.
I was just about to say, look how much NQ has dropped, way below lower day. Look how much ES has dropped, way below lower day. If this drops to 370, I mean, I guess, but to me, I agree with Nor. It's strong. It hasn't even broke lower day. I don't know.
I'm moving my trailing stop to a hold above 45.
You're gonna get it right here.
That would have been a sick trade on SMCI. Wow, yeah. Paper traded that in my head. Filled at 450. This contract's at a high of 570. That would have been disgusting.
Yeah, I'm seeing red flags here, guys. So if it holds above 545, even the slightest bit, I'm gonna be selling the rest.
Okay, look at this.
Got my finger on the trigger. No hold yet.
45. 545, right? Would be the equivalent of this. Alright.
I'm selling, guys. I sold.
That's a sick trade, Maki.
We saw red flags there.